Please accept my Dandavat Pranam. How can you perceive Lord's presence? There are two things to consider. One is meta and the other one is spirit. Meta is called Jada Prakriti and the spirit soul is called Chinmay Prakriti. Cup, house, bed, glass, and car, sound system, freezer means worldly things. They are meta. They have no spirit inside. Also called Jada Prakriti. Our body is also meta. Then how this meta is from childhood it becomes how you can say this meta is growing, then becomes adult, then dwindles, then death. Why this change? This body, there's a special kind of changes is taking place. We don't see this kind of changes happening in any other elements. But in body is also matter. But why the body is growing for the child, and then for the middle-aged man, why this same body is dwindling? Why this happening? Because when the child is small, suppose the child is dead, and you keep that dead body for 15 years, do you think that dead body after 15 years will become adolescent or adult? No. The growth will stop as soon as the spirit goes out of the body. The spirit is the soul. Remember, we are talking about two things, meta and spirit. So, body is meta, and inside the soul is spirit. So, when the child is small and dies, suppose the child is dead, and you keep the child's body for 20 years in a preservative, do you think after 20 years the child will become adolescent or a youth or a middle-aged man or become a fully fleshed man? The child's dead body will not become a man after 20 years even though you keep his body for in a preservative for 20 years. That means the changes that are taking place in this body, in this meta, in this Jad Prakriti is because the spirit, soul which is inside the body, that is the key element which is doing the change. So when the spirit soul enters the body, then this Jad Prakriti body becomes active. Similarly, you see this world very carefully. All the elements of this world is Jad Prakriti, Meta. There are so many trees in this world, so many animals, so many aquatics in this world. All these trees are bearing fruit, flowers. Well, this is a Jad Prakriti, it is a Meta. How come this Meta is activating? Giving fruit, giving flowers. How come this is happening? Just as the dead body becomes active due to the presence of spirit soul inside the body, similarly, the whole world, whole trees are bearing fruit and flowers because of the supreme spirit, which is Krishna, is present within all these meta, Jad Prakriti, only then this whole world is active. Maya Dakshana Prakriti, Suyita Characharam, all this dead meta, all this Prakriti is acting under my direction. Hetunane Kaunteya Jagat Biparivartate, this Jagat becomes Biparivartate, the Jagat is changing, it is progressing. Hetunanen, I am the Hetu, I am the cause. So when you see the child's body is growing, the cause is the spirit inside the body. Similarly, when you see changes that is taking place in this world, like trees are bearing fruit, the herbs are bearing flowers, and the aquatics and all the animals and all the living entities, the body is growing, dwindling and death. All these changes taking place because the supreme energy, the supreme spirit is present in this matter. That's why the whole world is changing and the whole world is giving the fruit. That means that you can see the energetic by seeing his energy. You can see Krishna energetic by seeing his energies. When you see a tree is in motion, bearing fruit, when you see all the living entities in this world are in motion, there is a kind of a progress going on. Then you should quickly know that just by watching all these energies, you should be able to know that there is an energetic somewhere. Energetic is the energetic principle, which is Krishna, is present in all this meta. Only then this meta is active. Otherwise, this meta cannot be active by itself. Ladies and gentlemen, I tried my best to explain. I don't know how much, how clear I am. If there is some ups and downs, please bear with me. Hare Krishna.